Josh is in lane 5 to the left of the orange cone. Wait a minute, he looks different than all the rest. Josh is swimming the 500 back. We have no idea how he will do. This is something he's wanted to do for a while, so he's doing it. So that is the lead grouping, so we're going to stay tight on them. Josh will be in the top of the screen left in lane 5. I believe that's Dominic in lane 6, and I'm not sure who that is in lane 7. This is certainly not meant to show anyone up. It's literally just to let Josh swim 500 back. Someone did it to him at this meet a number of years ago, and ever since then, he was bound and determined to do it himself. This is still the lead grouping. So I don't know what we're coming up on here, but we're right under 2 minutes. Around 157 something. The splits are going, Josh's last split was a 30.07, so he's doing 30 flat splits. I don't want to say halfway, but at least 200 in, I'm not counting. .60.61 around under 230. It's funny because they have a counter in Josh's lane. Obviously completely unnecessary. Maybe he sees it when he makes the rotation actually. The 30.91. .13. They are swimming 10 lanes here today. We're coming up on 4 minutes. 358, 359, 40. Josh turned right around 401 to 31.29. We seeded him with a 5 minutes flat. Obviously, we have no idea what he can do. Thank you, Mr. Ryan. I want to know what's going through his head right now. .450. He's going to be right at that 5 minute mark. 5:02:21. There's Dominic coming in. Does Dominic get second? Third place by 0.05 seconds. Third place, lane 7 was Romej, R-O-M-E-J. Don't know who that is. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the scoreboard.